Oh, one last thing I was going to show you. Hey, here's my throwaway. This is a 3-inch paintbrush. I don't throw these away until I figure out I don't have any use for it anymore. And see, I'm gonna just take this along the edge and just work it in. You know, and I can do that along here too if I want. You know, there's only going to be so much I want to mess with these, but I thought this might get it a little bit better. You know, so you decide how long do you want to spend on your job and all that. Okay? So yeah, I could take each one of these and keep going if I want, but you know, at a point I've got to decide, okay, how much more time do I want to mess with these? You know what I mean? And if I have slight gaps here and there, it's not really going to bother me, because trust me, after a year or so, you get debris down in there, you get dirt down in there. That gardener blows his stuff, and you get little bits of moss around the grass growing and kind of filling up the voids. Okay, so you can try that too. Okay, all right. I'm gonna spend a little bit more time on it, and then I'll be back at you. Oh, how's that look? It's too bad it wasn't during the day. I'd show you that, but you know, does it really look like I did much over here? Hardly at all, huh? It looks like it was always like that. See the nice reveal, straight edge along there? Look at that. That's looking really mighty nice. And I got it all swept up. I left a little bit, and like I say, in a couple of weeks I'll save this sand. Look how much sand I had left. I got this much, but that's because, remember, it was up high there, tapered down, and so I took out quite a bit of sand, and I can save that. I'll save that so that I can throw a little bit more in here, do it again, and be done with it. Okay. Whew. I'm sure glad that's over with. Well, that's all I have for this time. Oh, let's see if the light's any better this way. That's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And I never know what I'm going to show next. But you just might want to stick around, because you might learn something on how to save money around the house.